Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this Spandex tablecloth. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this tablecloth and help you know what you can expect when you get it. Now, first off, you'll notice the material that this tablecloth is made out of. It kind of has that Spandex feel. It feels nice and high quality, but you can definitely tell because it has so much stretch to it, which is really nice, especially when you're putting this tablecloth on a table. It's nice to have that stretch and be able to kind of stretch it over really easily. I also notice that it's nice and high quality, even down to the stitching here. You'll notice that it has just an overall kind of high quality make to it, which I really like a lot about this tablecloth. Now, another great feature about this material is it tends to be a little bit more kind of water resistant than some of those thicker tablecloths that kind of really soak in the water. So in case you're maybe outdoors and it starts raining or anything like that, this tablecloth, it kind of does a better job at kind of resisting moisture, which is nice. But one thing I did want to mention about this tablecloth that I really like is it is reusable. You can actually just go ahead and wash it as needed, and then you can go ahead and reuse the tablecloth for another event. Now, this specific tablecloth is kind of a 6-foot rectangle style design, so just make sure that you get the one that's correct for your table. But I really like this tablecloth a lot. I think it's nice and high quality, and I would highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.